want, I can give you the list of formula once again. One extra questions write down before we start with that topic. Before we start with MCQ. Right. 2 point charges 10 microcoulomb and 40 microcoulomb are separated by 20 centimeter. Find the position of point from 10 microcoulomb where intensity is 0. Write this question, very important for 11th standard. 2-point charges 10 microcoulomb and 40 microcoulomb are separated by 20 centimeter. Find the position of point from 10 microcoulomb where intensity is 0. Written the question? Write it so that I can rub and draw the diagram to understand direction. I think you have copied the question, correct?
Sir, last line.
Okay. Will you get involved in between when I ask? So that
Yes,
there
sir.
will be continuity. Huh? So, shall I clear now? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, right. थोड़ा फास्ट लिखो प्रतीक. Now can I clear?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आराम से अभी देखो अच्छे से समझो because this chapter is also there in 12th. How many charges they have given? 1 or 2?
2.
2 charge. So can I call one charge Q1, other charge Q2?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Q1
sir.
value is 10 microcoulomb, Q2 is 40 microcoulomb, and distance between them is R equals to 20 centimeter. Clear? Hello? This much clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we want position of a point where intensity is 0. So let P be a point at distance x from 10 microcoulomb where intensity is 0. So this is suppose one point P at distance of x centimeter where intensity is 0. So P to B, what will be distance? If A to P is x, then what is P to B?
20 minus x.
Very good, 20 minus x. Intensity will be only 0 if it is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. This charge Q1 is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
That means the intensity from this charge will be directed outward like this. From P away from A, that is called outward.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And even Q2 is positive. So intensity for Q2 will be from P away from Q2. This is E2. Are they appearing opposite?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
chances are there it will become 0 whenever magnitude is same.
Yes, sir.
So now I can say therefore at point P, E1 should be equal to E2 to give me resultant 0. That means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 upon R1 square is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q2 upon R2 square. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught you can cancel. Q1 means 10 microcoulomb, that is 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. R1 is X equals to 40 microcoulomb upon R2 is 20 minus X square. 10 raised to minus 6 cancel, this 0 cancel. Can you take square root now from both sides? From here,
Yes, sir.
so this will become 1 upon X equals to square root of 4 is 2 upon 20 minus X. I have taken square root both the sides. Please copy till this. The easiest subject is physics. If you are attending and not following, then asking the doubt. If you don't ask doubt, it will become more toughest. But if you clear your doubt, this is the easiest subject to score the mark. After maths, the easiest to score the mark is maths. But again, if you have followed, so it is vice versa. If you understand, easy. If you don't understand, toughest. Draw diagram, copy till this, then I'm simplifying further. Complete till end. If you have completed, please tell me so that I can clear and simplify further.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody is done. Shall I clear full?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we got 1 by x equals to 2 upon 20 minus x. 1 upon x equals to 2 upon 20 minus x. So 20 minus x will become 2x. Therefore 20 equals to 3x. X equals to 20 by 3 or 6.67 centimeter. Therefore intensity will be 0 at distance of 6.67 centimeter from 10 microcoulomb. Now complete full. Yes, done I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more question. Two charges of 10 microcoulomb each are situated at two vertices of equilateral triangle. Two vertices of equilateral triangle. Find intensity at third vertex. Two charges of 10 microcoulomb each are situated at vertices of equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeter. Find intensity at third vertex. Now, we want intensity at third vertex. You can take any two so that remaining will be third. So if this is A, B, C, here charge Q1 10 microcoulomb. At B 10 microcoulomb. Side is 10 centimeter each. I am interested in finding resultant intensity at C. First direction part, then I will explain you how to calculate. Charge at A, is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
So at C, the intensity will be directed outward or towards Q1?
Outward.
Outward.
Outward. So positive charge means from here it will be directed outwards. This way it will be directed outwards. So suppose this is intensity E1. And for B, it will be again directed outward like this. E2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now E1, E2 both are vector. So resultant will be vector sum. What are angles of equilateral triangle? 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will be this angle? Can you tell?
60 degrees.
60.
So it
60.
becomes like we have E1, we have E2, their angle between them is 60. So what is resultant of two vector if angle theta is between them? Root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta, correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here, can I say E1 is same as E2? Can I say like this? I have not calculated, but still can I say as per your wisdom? You can say because charge, distance, here also charge, distance, they are same now for both.
Yes, sir.
So if charge
Yes,
is
sir.
same, distance is same, magnitude will be same. So I can say here E1 equal to E2. Therefore, अगर दोनों equal है and angle between them is 60, then from vector, can you tell what is resultant intensity? Resultant intensity, is it root 3 times any one vector? याद आया? Two vectors
Yes,
are
sir.
inclined by 60. If they are equal, then result is root 3 times. I hope followed. In case you are not remembering, just check. By vector addition, resultant is a square plus b square. I'm taking both are same. So a square plus a square plus 2aa cos 60 is half. This gets cancelled. Root 3 times a square, which is root 3a. I hope clear now. So मुझे
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes. See. So once I know E1, then root 3 times E1 is my resultant at vertex C. Everybody has followed till this concept of the direction as well as magnitude, root 3
Yes,
times.
sir.
Okay, please copy till this. Once you complete, again tell so that I can get the space for writing further solution.
Done, sir.
Okay. So resultant intensity root 3 times E1. That means E equals to root 3 times 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R square. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon value is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Charge is 10 microcoulomb, so 10 raised to minus 6. What is distance given?
10
10
centimeter.
centimeters.
So it is 10 raised to minus 1 meter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 9 root 3 into 10 raised to 9 1 10 10 and this is 4 upon 10 raised to minus 2. 9 root 3 into 10 raised to 6. You can stop here also, no problem. Newton per coulomb. This is resultant intensity. Clear I think now?
Yes, sir.
अभी 4 चार्ज का बता देता हूँ, फिर आपको पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट डायरेक्शन का समझ जाएगा. दो. Then shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Next. 4 charges 10 microcoulomb 20 microcoulomb minus 10 microcoulomb 20 microcoulomb are situated at vertices of square of side again 10 centimeter. Find resultant intensity at center of square. Please copy the question first. Okay, written everything now? Yes, written everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll go ahead with the diagram and how we can find resultant intensity. Four charges are situated at vertices of square. Suppose I name this as A, B, C, D. We want intensity at center O. This is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. All this distance OA, OB, OC, OD will be same or different? All the distances
Same.
same, correct? Because
Same.
same. Center means it is point of intersection of diagonal. Now, this is 10 microcoulomb at A. I'm calling Q1. Q2 is 20 microcoulomb. Q3 is minus 10 microcoulomb. And Q4 is given 20 microcoulomb. Now, if you look carefully, 10 and 20, 20 is double.
Yes, sir.
If it is double, then whatever intensity you will get with Q1, you will get twice with Q2.
Yes, sir.
चलो line से जाते हैं. At O, A will give intensity outward or towards the charge. Away, na? Like this, it will give
Outwards.
outward. So this is E1. Can you tell how E2 will act? E2
Outwards.
Outwards.
Along
outward
OD.
means away from O towards OD. This is E2. E2. For Q3, where will be the charge?
Inwards.
Inward.
Inward.
Means it is
Inward.
like this, na? Towards, na? This will be E3. Okay. This is E3. समझा बराबर ये?
Yes, sir.
And where will be E4 due to charge on 20? Charge 20
Towards B.
Towards B.
Outward. Along
Outwards.
OB.
towards B means it is along OB lines. This is E4. Now can you see E2, E4 are opposite
Yes, sir.
and they are
Yes,
equal
sir.
also? And they are equal also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why equal? Because Q2, Q4 magnitude same, distance same, intensity same, but direction ulta, therefore it will be what? Equal and opposite. So only left out is E1 and E2, which
E3.
are E3. E1 and E3 इधर दिख नहीं रहा बराबर ये E3 है इधर ये E3. They are in same direction, so result will be addition or subtraction.
Addition.
Addition.
Okay, very good. Now see, since E2 comma E4 are equal and opposite. Without calculation also we can manage because magnitude same, direction ulta, so equal and opposite are equal and opposite. Hence, they cancel each other. Therefore, resultant intensity at O comma E will be E1 plus E2. Is E1 E2 same to same? E1 is same as E2? Sorry, E3. Is E1 same as E3?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Again, because magnitude of charge and distance is same. So my E will become 2 times E1. That is 2 times 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 upon distance OA the whole square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is 2 into 9 into 10 raised to 9. Charge is 10 micro. So 10 raised to minus 6 upon OA means half of root 2 times side, that is 10 centimeter. So 10 raised to minus 1 का square. ये line समझा? Root 2 into side is diagonal. उसका half is OA, no? No?
Yes, sir.
See, this is root 2 into side I took. Root 2 into side means diagonal. Uska half is OA. And side is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is 10 raised to minus 1 meter. 9 into 2 is 18 into 10 raised to 3. 1 upon 2 ka square 1 by 4. Root 2 ka square 2. 10 raised to minus 2. Clear? This also? Yes, clear this much?
Yes, sir.
Now just two more lines. Please you draw the diagram, then I am doing further. Diagram with direction, it is very important. Hello? हाँ मैडम. हाँ बोलिए ना मैडम. हाँ हाँ हाँ. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ हाँ मैं भेज दूंगा. यस भेज दूंगा. यस यस डेफिनेटली. यस ओके मैडम. थैंक यू.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it should be 180. I mean,
But
the answer should be 360 because there is one more 10 in the numerator.
one more 10 is there. Okay, then we'll increase the power, no, rather than doing that.
Yes, sir.
We'll make it power 4, no? So this will become 6. Okay. Thank you. And direction will be along OC. Fine. Now at least direction part is cleared in your mind for all the students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
कुछ नहीं. देखो आपको लगता है डिफिकल्ट है फिजिक्स.
Done, sir.
Everybody has completed till last line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm starting with MCQ. Just open page number 1 of that MCQ. Actually, it is the test paper. I'm doing full now today. Current we have done, na? Current and electrostatics 2 chapters we have done, theory in part 2. Shall I clear now everything?
Yes, sir.
See, for 11th college exam, many things they have deleted. So we are not doing as per the college exam. We are doing as per the entrance exam. Because yesterday only one child posted me the deleted portion. If you see that, entire syllabus we can complete in 1.5 months. Because college will get hardly 3 months to complete their portion. So they have deleted many of the things. Board has deleted, but not for entrance. Yes, shall I clear now the screen completely?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First one. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk, what happens? Glass rod is rubbed with silk. Glass becomes positive. Silk cloth becomes negative. This is found by gold leaf electroscope method, which you have done in lower standard. So glass becomes positive, means glass rod rubbed with silk, it will lose the electron, correct?
Yes, sir.
It will lose electron means what? It will gain proton from the silk. तभी तो प्रोटॉन पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव मिलकर फिर टूस हो गया, वही मीनिंग है ना. C is the option. Got it? Meaning this becoming positive, मतलब इसने अपना नेगेटिव किसको दिया? सिल्क को, और सिल्क ने अपना पॉजिटिव इसको दिया ना.
Yes, sir.
So answer is C. Second, if 10 raised to 14 electrons are removed from neutral metal sphere, then charge on the sphere is. First electrons are removed बोला है. That means charge should be positive. That much I get idea. Charge must be positive. Then charge develop. Positive option. हाँ, दो है. So I have to solve. So therefore, what is Q? Plus Ne. Q means charge. N is number of electron lost. E is the charge of electron. N is 10 raised to 14. Charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 5. That is 16 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. So 16 microcoulomb. 16 microcoulomb, option A. Solve the two.
Sir, in question number 1, option B will come, no?
No, they are telling glass will give proton to the cell. So if it is giving proton means it is giving positive charge, na? Losing positive means it should become negative, no?
But silk becomes negative charged.
No, they don't want silk. They are telling glass rubbed will be what?
Okay, sir.
So that sum is actually many times will do mistake by not reading carefully or understanding, interpreting wrong. Otherwise, you all know answer. Shall I clear 1 and 2 both sum?
Yes, sir.
Third one. When air is replaced by dielectric medium, then maximum force of attraction between two charge will be in air divided by K. So it will decrease by K time. A option. Next. Force between two charges when placed in free space, that means in air, is 10 Newton. If they are placed in a medium of relative permittivity 5, then what will be the force? It is Fa upon K. Fa is 10 upon K is 5, 2 Newton. 2 Newton, option A. Next step. Charge Q1 exerts some force on second charge Q2, some force acting on 2 due to first. If Q3 is brought near the force of Q1 on Q2 will remain unchanged. This Q1 will give same force. Let Q3 also give force, but Q1 apna force will not reduce. So can I say it remains unchanged? Hello, followed? No, why?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, again, chance of silly mistake is they don't want resultant force. Resultant force will increase, but force due to Q1 will remain same on Q2, whatever may be the charges in the vicinity. 6. 2-point charges 3 and 8 microcoulomb repel each other with a force of this much. If each of them are given additional charge of minus q, then force between them will be how much? Okay. First charge q1 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. q2 is 8 into 10 raised to minus 6. They repel each other by force of 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton, first force. Then they are given additional charge. So Q1 is added with additional charge of minus 6 into 10 raised to 6. So new charge becomes 3 into 10 raised to minus 6, minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 6. It should be minus 6. Huh? By mistake, it is plus 6 coulomb. So that means it is minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. And Q2 dash will be Q2 8 into 10 raised to minus 6, minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 6. That is 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Then force between them will become how much? So force between them, distance is same. Ratio of the force will be equals to product of charges per ratio. Okay, please copy till this. F1 upon F2, 3 into 10 raised to minus 6, 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. I have just put magnitude.
Sir,
Yes,
magnet force is repulsive.
because both became positive ना. अरे sorry, negative था क्या q1 dash. Oh, sorry. First it was repulsive, now it is attractive. Very good. 1.5 but attractive because one charge is negative. I didn't saw that. Shall I clear now full?
Done, sir.
Sum number 7. The electric strength of air is 2 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per coulomb. The largest charge that on a metal sphere, largest charge on metal sphere of radius 3 millimeter can hold 3 millimeter, 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now we know intensity of charge is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q. Here distance means radius square. So maximum intensity is 2 into 10 raised to q. This is 6. This is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q you want. And radius is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 ka square. So therefore 2 into 10 raised to 6, 3 square 9 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 9 into 10 raised to 9 is equals to q plus 10 raised to minus 6. Q equals to 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. That is same as 2 nano coulomb. Option A. This done?
Done, sir.
Next one. There are n electrons on a drop of oil. Good, sir. There are n electrons on a drop of oil. It is in equilibrium in an electric field of intensity E. If density is rho, then radius of drop will be how much? See, this drop has density rho. That means it has weight mg acting downward. What is meaning of equilibrium? Equilibrium means what? Equilibrium means net force must be zero. That is called equilibrium. So one force is its weight. Second should be this electric field E ka force. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I say at equilibrium force due to electric field must balance weight of oil drop, and force due to electric field is QE, weight is mg, QE is nothing but Ne. Ne means charge due to n electron, density into volume is mass. So Nee is density into volume 4 by 3 pi r cube for sphere into g. Therefore r cube will be 3 times NEA upon rho 4 pi g. So from this, can you tell what will be r then? Hello? Therefore r will be cube root of all this, na?
Yes, sir.
So 3 NEE upon rho 4 pi g. है क्या option? 3 NEE upon rho
D.
D option. Right. T for donkey. Yeah, done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one. Figure gives electric line of force due to two charge Q1 and Q2. What are the nature of that two charges? Can you say that field lines are coming into Q1 as well as Q2? So both charges
Yes.
are negative, that means na?
Yes, sir.
So both are negative, option A. 10th one. The electric field at 20 centimeter from point charge is E. From charge Q at a distance of 20 centimeter, they are saying intensity is E. Then at distance of 5 centimeter. So if R2 is 5 centimeter, what will be the intensity? I'm writing E2. So common sense, E is inversely proportional to R square for same charge. So E1 upon E2 is R2 by R1 square. E1 is E, E2 we want, R2 is 5 upon 20 square, 5 into 4. So intensity will become 16 times original. 16 times the first one. That is option C. Okay, completed this one.
Yes, sir.
10. Two charged sphere of radius 10 and 15 are connected by thin wire. No current will flow if they have what? The same potential, not same charge, huh? The same potential. Potential is deciding factor for flow of current. So answer same potential, B. 12. 11th is B, now 12th. 8 mercury droplets, each of radius 1 millimeter. 8 droplets, each of 1 millimeter, given charge of 0.066 picocoulomb. Each merge to form one drop. Each combines to form one single drop. What will be the potential? Again, important sum. This I think none of you might have got the answer. So whenever it is problem of droplet becoming drop, so first find relation between their radii, means radius. Let small r comma capital R be radius of droplet and drop respectively. And drop respectively. So whatever 8 droplet volume is there, combined together, it will become volume of this bigger drop. So I can say 8 times 4 by 3 pi r cube is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. 8 r cube is capital R cube. So 2 times r is capital R. This is radius of bigger drop. Now potential of drop. Actually, in syllabus now it is taken to 12th standard. I'm just giving you formula. Remember this, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by r. Now you will say, sir, then how we could do? If you remember, E is V by D बताया था ना आपको मैंने?
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
इससे we could have got the relation. So it is Q by R because potential this E was R square. So इसका एक R cancel होके 1 by R आएगा. Bigger drop, okay. This is then for bigger drop means larger, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 8 droplet का charge total 8Q हो जाएगा और bigger drop का radius is capital R. Okay, please copy this one. So V of bigger drop is 9 into 10 raised to 9, 8 into charges how many pico?
0.066.
0.066 pico, so 10 raised to minus 12 in coulomb. And radius is 2 times small r 1 millimeter, 10 raised to minus 3, 2 into 4. So V larger is 9 into 4 into 6, 24, 24 and 2, 26. Carry through 1230.264 into 10 raised to minus 12, and this goes up to become minus 9. So 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to minus 9 will get cancelled. So V of larger drop, 9 into 4, 36, 9 6 of 54 and 3, 57, 9 2 are 18, 5, 23, 2.376. Its potential is 2.376. So rounded off will become 2.4 volt. Okay. Yes, done?
Done, sir.
Okay. 13th, when a proton is accelerated through 1 volt, then kinetic energy is okay. So in 10th you have studied potential is work done to move the charge. In ICSC kinetic energy also you have studied, it is QV. So work done is nothing but kinetic energy for moving charge. So I can say kinetic energy is Q into V. For proton, charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Potential in which it is accelerated is given 1 volt. This many joules. Joules. That is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 divide by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 becomes electron volt. So answer should be 1 electron volt. That is given in C. Or in short, if you can remember anytime, kinetic energy in electron volt is potential in volt. Shortcut hai. So potential was given 1 volt, therefore kinetic energy in electron volt is 1 electron volt. Ulta. 1 volt means 1 electron volt. 13. Yes, done?
Done, sir.
14. Work done in carrying charge of 5 microcoulomb. Work done in carrying charge of 5 microcoulomb from point A to that in B in an electric field. From A to B in an electric field. Work done to move the charge from A to B is in the field is potential at B minus potential at A. उल्टा होता है हमेशा. Because always the positive charge field is from positive to negative. So if I am moving in the field, ये positive repel करेगा. So stored energy of B will be greater as compared to A. So when charge positive is moved from A to B, then potential B का बड़ा रहता है. इसलिए VB minus VA. Now charge is 5 microcoulomb, 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. It is moved from A to B. 10 millijoule is 10 raised to minus 3 joule is VB minus VA. 5 into 2. So 2 into 10 raised to 3 is VB minus VA. Therefore 2 kilovolt is VB minus VA. A option. This also you might not have got because actually now they have shifted this in 12th standard. But from definition of 10th standard, what is potential difference in current chapter, few students could manage. Done? Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 15th one. If charge is moved against the force of electric field, then work is done by electric field, energy is used from some outside source. See, electric field work करेगा तो electric field के direction में आएगा. So if you are moving against the force, that means energy is used from outside source to bring it closer. So option B. 16. Again understood? Charge moved against the force. ये force ऐसा है. चार्ज को आप अंदर ला रहे हैं, तो जो भी इसको ला रहा है वो अपना एनर्जी वेस्ट कर रहा है ना, और इसके अंदर स्टोर हो रहा है ना एनर्जी. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
सो मतलब जो भी इसको चार्ज को इसका अगेंस्ट लेके आ रहा है, दैट आउटसाइड सोर्स इज इन्वेस्टिंग इट्स एनर्जी टू मूव दिस चार्ज. सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन इज बी. 16. A charge of 5 microcoulomb experiences force of 2 Newton in electric field. Then potential gradient means potential upon distance. This is called potential gradient. So last class we did E is V by D. E means Q into E is V by D. So force upon charge becomes V by D. Force is 2. Charge is 5 micro. 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. So 0.4 into 10 raised to plus 6, which will be 4 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb. Beautiful sum. Very important one. Yes, completed. This also.
Yes, sir.
17. In the electric field of point charge Q, this is point charge Q, a certain charge is carried from point A to B. So from Q, this is the circle. That means this is position of electric field. A charge is taken from A to B to C, D, E. In the electric field of point charge Q, a certain charge is carried from A to B, C, D. Then the along work done is, See, this is a circle. That means everywhere distance is same. This distance is same. If distance is same and charge is same, so V is constant on circle. If V is constant, that means V at A is V at B is V at C is V at D. So potential difference will be always zero. Correct, na? Potential difference is work done to move the charge. So zero is work done upon charge. Work done will be zero for all the path. So it will be zero along path AB, AC, AD, AE, all. Option A, B, C. Option C. Zero along all the path. Done? Yeah, can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 18th one. Amy, your doubts are clear now?
Yes, sir.
This only might be doubts now which you wanted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Work required to put the four charge together at corner of square is. Okay. Work required to put the charges at the corner will be. Work required to put the charges at the corner will be. See, work done is nothing but stored energy or potential energy. अभी वापस ये एक्चुअली 12th में शिफ्ट कर दिया है. मैं आपको खाली फॉर्मूला बता देता हूं. Potential energy between charges q1 comma q2 is given by potential energy means work done. It is electric potential into that charge. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon distance between 1 and 2. Here how many charge we have? 1 charge or 4 charge?
4.
4 charge. तो ये 4 का सेटअप वाला आएगा. That means first with second, first with third, first with fourth. एक हो गया, एक set. Then second with first already done. Second with third, second with fourth will combine. Second set. Third with first already done. Third with fourth will combine. So total there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms for 4 charges. So net potential energy is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught I am taking outside. Now if this is first charge, second charge, third charge, fourth charge. As per our formula, it is Q1, Q2 upon distance between 1 and 2 plus Q1, Q3 distance between 1 and 3 plus Q1, Q4 distance between 1 and 4 plus Q2, Q4 distance between 2 and 4 plus Q3, Q4 distance between 3 and 4. This is 4 charges का बीच का potential energy. Please copy this much, then I am putting the values to get the conclusive answer. Yes, written for?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One by one, we'll put the values. Huh? 1 second. Wait.
So you have missed Q2 and Q3 upon R23.
Or 2, 3 we have missed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. Huh? Only 5 terms are there. 6 are there total. 6 should be there. I have written only 5. So one more will come. Q2, Q3, distance between 2. So net potential energy is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Now you have to keep on telling me what is Q1? Q1 is what? Is it Q?
Yes, sir.
And Q2 is minus Q.
Minus Q.
So minus QQ upon side A, distance is A, plus then Q1 Q3. Q1 Q3 is QQ, distance is root 2A, correct? No? Plus Q into minus Q, distance is A. So 1 2 1 3 1 4 over, plus now 2 3. 2 3 means again minus Q into Q, distance is A. 2 4. 2 4 is minus Q into minus Q, distance is root 2A. So 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 4 over. 2 3 2 4. Q3 Q4. Q3 is Q. Q4 is minus Q. Distance is A. So potential energy equals to A you can bring outside. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught A I can bring outside. Minus Q square plus Q square upon root 2 minus Q square upon A. This is minus Q square upon A minus minus plus Q square upon root 2. A we have already brought out. Minus of Q square 4. So this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught A minus 3Q square 1 2 3 4 minus 4Q square plus 2Q square upon root 2. Therefore, it will be finally becoming 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. This is nothing but root 2. So minus 4Q square plus 1.414. Root 2 is 1.414 Q square. Please copy till this. Just one more line. Now you might have got the idea. It will be B option, minus 2.645 epsilon naught A. Option B. Yeah, done.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay. Some number now 19. When the separation between two positive charges increased, separation is increased, then electric potential of the system, electric potential energy is inversely proportional to distance. So when distance is increased, potential will decrease. Correct? Na?
Yes, sir.
So option B, 20. Charge of 3 coulomb is placed in field, it experiences force of 3000 Newton. Within this field, potential between 2 points separated by 1 centimeter will be how much? Now from F and Q, I can get E. E is force upon Q, which is same as V upon distance, which you remember we have written this formula. So F is 3000 upon 3 coulomb. We want distance is 1 centimeter, so 10 raised to minus 2 meter. This is 1000. So V equals to 10 volt. Option A. This is also beautiful sound. You are done? 20?
Done, sir.
21. 2-point charge of 12 microcoulomb and 3 microcoulomb are separated by distance of 0.5 meter. Work done in moving the charge of 3 microcoulomb. So Q2 is our moving charge. This we have moved. So that distance between two charge is reduced to 0.1 meter will be how much? Distance between two charges reduced to 0.1 meter will be how much? So suppose this is Q1, this is Q2. At some point A, we brought it to B, where this distance becomes reduced by here, reduced to, is
It's
reduced,
reduced to
so it becomes 0.4. So this is R2.4, this is R1.5. What is work done? So work done to move from A to B is potential at B minus potential at Q upon Q2, which is moved. So potential at B means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 upon R2 minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 upon R1. This is work done to move from A to B upon Q2. Please write this formula. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 common inside 1 upon r2 minus 1 upon r1 equals to work done upon q2. Now I am putting the values. This diagram can I remove?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon means 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q1 is 12 micro, 10 raised to minus 6. 1 upon R2 is 0.4 meter minus 1 upon 0.5 equals to work done upon 3 micro, 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. So it will be work done equals to 9, 9 into 12 into 10 raised to plus 3 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. ये हो गया 0.5 minus this is 0.1 upon 4 into 5 20 into 10 raised to minus 2. 20 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 2 into 10, 2 into 6, 9 into 6 is 54 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is into 10 raised to minus 1 upon 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 is 10 raised to minus 1. Cancel. 3 into 4, 12. 3 5s are 15, 1, 16 into 10 raised to minus 3 joules. Check now whether we have this option 162. Nowhere it is matching. Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just wait. I will just solve to check whether anything mistake in the calculation, and then next lecture I will clarify this. So I'm not wasting your time. Next, 22. Electric potential V is 5x square plus 10x minus 9. What is electric field at x equals to 1? So electric field is also given by negative dv by dx. वापस ये 12th का टॉपिक है, अभी पहले 11th में था. So just remember वो v upon d के जगह पे I wrote dv upon dx. So it will be minus of d by dx of 5x square plus 10x minus 9. Do you know what will be derivative of 5x square? It is 10x, correct na?
Yes, sir.
Plus 10, and this will be 0. So minus of 10 into 1 plus 10 because x is 1. So minus 20 is the answer. Option A. Yes, done.
Done, sir.
चलो, आज के लिए लास्ट सम 23rd. A point Q lies on perpendicular bisector of electric dipole. A point Q lies on perpendicular bisector of dipole of moment P. If the distance of Q from the dipole is R, much larger than the size, then electric field at Q is proportional to. Electric field at Q is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon P upon R cube. That means it is proportional to P and 1 upon R raised to 3. So R raised to minus 3. P and R raised to minus 3, option D. Two more we can wind up so that all 25 gets over 24. Electric dipole, each of magnitude this much. Find what is dipole moment. Dipole moment means any charge into distance between them. Charge is of magnitude 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. And distance is 1 angstrom, that means 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So this is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 29 coulomb meter. Option C. Done?
Yes, sir.
चलो एक लास्ट कर देता हूँ. So all 25 revision done except one sum where we have to check. 25th. Electric potential due to dipole of length 10 centimeter, that is 10 raised to minus 1 meter, has charge of 500 microcoulomb. 500 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb on a line making angle 60 degree with the center of the dipole. At a point on line making 60 degree with the dipole is 10 raised to 5 volt. The distance of point from the center of dipole is how much? This we'll do in next class because there is lengthy calculation, slight lengthy, and we have not done this topic in 11th standard. So next lecture first I will explain, then we'll move ahead. So that's all for today. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this week we
Yes,
have a
sir.
lecture on Thursday. Thereafter completing this two sums, I will start with new chapter, very small chapter, which is